Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best Almond Gel Tips is probably one of the most versatile and sought-after nail enhancements available today, offering a chic and elegant silhouette that elongates the fingers and adds a touch of sophistication to any look, making them a popular choice for those seeking a polished and refined appearance without the commitment of traditional acrylics or the potential damage associated with some other nail extension methods. And their ease of application and durability make them a fantastic option for both DIY enthusiasts and salon professionals alike. Number 5. Modelones 510 PCS Medium Soft Gel Nail Tips. Achieve the perfect almond shape with these medium soft gel nail tips. They are pre-etched for easy application, saving you time and effort. These tips offer a unique half-matte, full-covered design. They provide a natural look and feel, ideal for any extension manicure. This clear acrylic gel kit is designed for durable and beautiful nail extensions. It's perfect for creating salon-quality nails at home. With 15 different sizes included, you're sure to find the perfect fit for every nail. This ensures a comfortable and seamless look. Enjoy professional results in the comfort of your own home. These false press-on tips are easy to use for both DIY enthusiasts and salon professionals. This generous pack contains 510 pieces, offering endless possibilities for your nail art. You'll have plenty to experiment with and create stunning designs. What we like. This set offers a generous quantity with a wide range of sizes, making it ideal for salons or frequent DIYers. The pre-etched surface saves you a crucial prep step. If you need variety and efficiency from multiple clients or extensive personal use, this is a great choice. What people say. The tips are pre-shaped and easy to apply. They are thin and flexible, making them comfortable to wear. The gel material is durable and doesn't chip or break easily. Number 4. GELLA Short Almond Nail Tips. Achieve beautiful almond-shaped nails in minutes. These soft gel tips offer a natural look and comfortable wear for stunning at-home nail extensions. Get complete coverage with these pre-shaped tips. They provide a perfect base for your creative nail designs, ensuring a flawless finish every time. With 12 different sizes available, you're sure to find the perfect fit for every finger. Enjoy a salon-quality experience right in your own home. These soft gel tips are designed for both comfort and durability. They provide a secure application that lasts, so you can enjoy your new nails longer. Experience the ease of GELLA tips for your nail enhancements. They are the ideal solution for a quick and stylish nail transformation. This generous pack offers 504 pieces, giving you plenty of options for refills and experimentation. Let your creativity shine with these versatile nail tips. What we like. With a substantial count and a focus on short almond shapes, these tips are perfect for everyday wear or those who prefer a more subtle extension. The soft gel material ensures a comfortable and flexible fit. If you're looking for natural-looking, comfortable nail extensions for daily life, these are for you. What people say. The tips are super thin and flexible, making them easy to apply and shape. They come in a variety of sizes, so you can find the perfect fit for each nail. The gel material is durable and doesn't chip or break easily. Number 3. AILLSA Short Almond Nail Tips. Achieve the perfect almond shape with our short nail tips. Get a flawless salon look right at home. With 360 pieces in 12 sizes, you'll have plenty of options for any occasion. Create unique designs with ease. These tips offer full coverage with a sophisticated half-matte finish. They provide a comfortable and natural feel. Made from soft gel, these tips are flexible and easy to apply. They are perfect for quick and beautiful nail extensions. Unleash your creativity and design your own press-on nails. They are ideal for DIY nail art and make a wonderful gift. Surprise someone special with the gift of beautiful nails. These are perfect for a thoughtful Valentine's Day present. What we like. This option provides a convenient, ready-to-go finish with its half-matte design, eliminating the need for filing. It's a fantastic choice for quick manicures or beginners. If you want a polished look with minimal effort and time, consider these for a speedy, beautiful result. What people say. The short almond shape is elegant and flattering, and the full cover design makes them look just like professional salon nails. The tips are lightweight, easy to apply, and feel natural on my nails. They hold up beautifully with gel polish and don't crack or bend easily. Number 2. Krofaue Almond Nail Tips. Achieve salon-quality almond nail extensions with ease. These soft gel tips provide a natural look and comfortable feel for your manicure. You'll receive 240 clear tips in 12 different sizes. This ensures a perfect fit for every finger, making DIY nail art simple and fun. Experience the full cover design made from soft gel. They offer flexibility and durability, blending seamlessly with your natural nails. Whether you're a professional or enjoy at-home manicures, these false nails are ideal. They simplify the process of creating beautiful nail extensions. Designed for a natural appearance and comfortable wear, these tips are a great choice. Enjoy beautiful, long-lasting manicures without the hassle. What we like. This kit is designed for simplicity and ease of use, perfect for those new to nail extensions or who enjoy straightforward DIY projects. The clear tips offer a versatile base for any polish or design. If you're a beginner or want a no-fuss way to achieve salon-quality nails at home, these are an excellent starting point. What people say. The tips are easy to apply and shape. They are thin and flexible, making them comfortable to wear. The gel material is durable and doesn't chip easily. Number 1. Krofaue 720 PCS Short Nail Tips Kit. Discover the Krofaue 720 PCS Short Nail Tips Kit, your all-in-one solution for stunning nail designs. Achieve professional results with ease, right at home. This kit offers 3 popular shapes: coffin, almond, and square. Each style provides a perfect base for your creative nail art. Enjoy the chic half-matte finish that adds a touch of elegance to your press-on nails. It's the ideal canvas for any color or design. Achieve a seamless full cover extension with these soft gel tips. They provide a natural look and comfortable feel for all-day wear. Elevate your DIY nail art game with this comprehensive set. Create beautiful, salon-quality nails without leaving your house. With 720 pieces included, you'll have more than enough tips to experiment with different looks and styles. Let your creativity flow. What we like. This value pack offers incredible versatility with 3 different popular shapes, including almond. It's ideal for nail enthusiasts who love to experiment with different looks. If you enjoy switching up your nail style frequently or want to have options for various occasions, this multi-style kit is a fantastic investment. What people say. The tips are thin and flexible, making them easy to apply and shape. They are pre-etched, which saves time and effort during application. The almond shape is flattering and versatile, suitable for various nail styles. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.